Jai Srimanarayana, 10th sloka of first chapter of Bhagavad Gita. Aparyaptam tadasmakam balam bhishmabhirakshitam paryaptantu idametesham balam bhimabhirakshitam. Om. Even if there are very few number of people but fighting for dharma, that small group can leave a very frightening impact on the people who are fighting for adharma, even if there are huge number of people. So let us be on side of dharma. Sri Krishna Paramatma says in the 18th chapter, "Come to me, surrender to me, mamekam saranam vraja." So let us now give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Giving a word to Krishna Paramatma with a full heart, that itself is a big, very nice, true, real puja. That is what we are doing every day. Ho Krishna, I shall be on side of dharma. Ho Krishna, I shall come to you, surrender to you. Ho Krishna, karishye vachanam tava sarvam. Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Vamana, while praising Bali Chakravarti's dynasty, he is saying like this, O Bali, Hiranyaksha was born in your dynasty. Sri Mahavishnu killed Hiranyaksha. Then Hiranyaksha's brother Hiranyakasipu came to know about that, and he went to Vishnu Lokam to kill Sri Mahavishnu. Then Sri Mahavishnu has seen Hiranyakasipu, and he started thinking like this, Yato yatoham tatrasau mrityuhu pranabhrutam iva atohamasya hrudayam pravekshyami paragdrusaha. Then Sri Mahavishnu thought like this Hiranyakasipu, if I go from here to somewhere, he will definitely follow me. Wherever I go, he will definitely chase me. So that is why I will enter into his own body in a sukshma rupam, in a subtle rupam. With my subtle form, I will enter into Hiranyakasipu's body and into his heart along with Pranavayu. Because this Hiranyakasipu does not have a vision, a sight by which he can see inside. There is no internal vision to this Danava Hiranyakasipu. He is only able to see externally. So then he would not be able to notice me. That is why I will enter into his body. Like that, Sri Mahavishnu now started thinking after seeing Hiranyakasipu. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena marasatravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 1st chapter, 10th sloka. Aparyaptam tadasmakam balam bhishmabhirakshitam paryaptantu idametesham balam bhimabhirakshitam. Aparyaptam tadasmakam balam bhishmabhirakshitam paryaptantvidame balam bhimabhirakshitam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.